Hi to all architects, engineers and CAD draftsmen. I'm Hasan Shakur and I'm from CAD Gizmo. Friends, in this video we will learn about the relation between the offset and layer tool. And guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. And friends, we have these three examples, and on this we see the relation between the offset and layers. So in this, first we apply the simple offset, and for that type O and enter and select the object and make the offset. Now in this offset you can see this object properties is set on 0 depth point layer, and which color is white. Now if I change the color of the source object on this color, now if I make the offset, now here the offset object don't take the source object properties and which have the dimension layer. So what is the reason? Go to offset tool and here you can see the layer option. Click it and now it is set on current. So the current layer is 0. So that's why our offset object don't take the source object properties. Now if I set it on source object and now if I offset it, now you can see the object take the source object properties. So this is the difference between the source and the current. We see this example again on this circle. If I offset it, it take the current layer properties and which is set on 0 depth point layer. Now if I set it on dimension and make it current and also check the offset properties and which is set on source. Now we change it on current. Now if I make offset, it take the properties of current layer. Now if I offset this object, it take the current layer properties. Now if I change it again on the dotted and make the offset like this, it take the properties of current layer. Why? Because we set it on offset layer. Here we change the layer option for the offset object, the current layer or the source object layer. So in this way we use the current and source object layers. Now we apply these changes on this example again. First we set our layers on depth point and make it current, and our layer set on source. Now if I make the offset, the object take the properties of source object. Now if I set offset on current layer and if I offset it, now it take the current layer properties and which is set on 0 depth point layer. And also we change it on dotted and make it current. Now we check the layer and it is on current. Now if I make the offset, it take the properties of current layer as we set it on offset tool. So in this way we make changes with the offset and layer tool. And in the relation of offset and layer, the main point is the layer set on current layer properties or the source layer properties. So if I set it on current, then our offset take the properties of current layers. If I select source, then our offset objects take the properties of source layer. So guys, this is the way we use the offset and layer tool. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment, and if you have any question related to this video, please contact me on WhatsApp. And guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.